What's going on YouTube? This is Mike over at MK Bars. How you doing? I just wanted to show you guys a few of the things we were working on. An Anubis statue, actually chess piece. We're going to make an Egyptian chess set. This is the king, the pharaoh, and a pirate sculpture. So these are the things we're going to turn into silver. They all are between 5. There's still some residual on there, but we'll get that off. They're between 5 and 7.5 ounces. So I wanted to go over them with you. This is 5, probably going to be, well, maybe 6 ounces. This might be 8 ounces, and that might be 6 ounces as well. So I wanted just to show you some things we're working on. Let me know if you like them. Up close, this is the pirate statue, Long John Silver, whatever you want to call it. The cape. This is the Pharaoh, the king of the chess set. All these little burrs and stuff we'll take off. It's just extra plastic. We'll take that off before we burn it out. He's got a little snake on his head, beard. He's got some snakes on his lapel. And then of course the Anubis on Instagram that's got a lot of love. A lot of people said, I want it. So probably make the Anubis statue first. But these 3 will be in line for first ones, and hopefully you guys will be seeing them on some of our vendor sites. So let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if these are cool, if they're not cool. You know, I think they'll be all right. I'm excited. I'm excited to make them into silver. So let me know. Again, please. Your input is important, and it will push our products to the next level. So I wanted to thank you once again, YouTube. Everybody have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, whatever holiday you do celebrate, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.